addition and subtraction problems. Unknown numbers, and write down these examples, please. Something like this. We could do all sorts of different things here. You could have something that looks like this. M plus 6 is 14. X plus 5 is 18. 7 minus X is 4. And you have B minus 3 is 8.
5.
Mrs. Stone knows, children. Mrs. Stone knows. Oh, but you're on camera, smile at it.
When you're done,
No,
can I
step
see?
back here.
When you're done, can I see Maddie and Aubrey?
Which Maddie?
Why?
Why not?
What?
And Aubrey.
But after they're done working on their lesson, as soon as they're working on their lesson.
All right, I'll try to be brief.
No, it's all right.
Okay.
Sorry for interrupting.
Did we talk about the parts of a subtraction problem? We already got subtrahend, minuend, and difference? Yes, very good. Okay, so here's the deal. And I have to warn you on this because people make mistakes on this all the time. Addition's not so bad. If you're missing a part of an addition problem, like this M up here, what should you do to try to figure out the answer there? Maybe I'll put this in some sort of a shade of chartreuse. Although that looks too much like a red. I'll go somewhere else with that. Let's go green. I think Grace,
Subtract 6 from 14.
that is it. However, I want you to do something first before that. That is true. True as that might be. Jim?
Do a smaller, easier.
That's exactly it. Put this in big, bold, beautiful letters. When you see something like these, when you're missing numbers there, oh no, I lost it. Oh, there it is. I want you to highlight this. Think of an easier problem and what you would do. What you'd do. We'll make it in bubbles so that you can't go on here. And these already, well, so what I mean by that is this. Okay, this is an addition problem, so I want you to think of any simple addition problem. Maybe it's 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay. In this problem, I'm missing the top number, yes. So think on this problem that you already know the answer to. If you were missing the top number, I didn't know that was a 3, what do I do to 5 and 2? To get 3, subtract. So I know that my answer is going to be like, well, who is it? Somebody already told me what to do. Yeah, you are going to definitely subtract 6 from 14, and you know this top number has to be 8. Okay. And that's the same thing with this addition problem here. Now the reason why it's important to do this is because of the subtraction problems. Here's the time. Focus on me for just, all I ask is for like 2 minutes more. Most people, and this especially happens in multiplication more than probably addition and subtraction, most people see a 7 and a 4 and they think the number 3 because that's part of that fact family, blah, blah, blah. And the same thing over here. Most people see 8 and 3 and they think the number 5, correct? Okay, one of those is not right. Okay, one of those is not right. Just because your mind thinks it doesn't mean it's true. Now if you go back to what we just talked about, think of an easy problem. Let's say I have 6 minus 4 is 2. If I'm missing the middle number, how do I get 4 with 6 and 2? I subtract. So I subtract 7 minus 4, and yes, 3 is the answer to this one. But if you do that same thing over here, 6 minus 4 is 2. If I'm missing the top number here, What do I do to 2 and 4 to get 6? Add them together. This answer is not 5. It should be 8 plus 3, and that's 11. Okay, so as much as you want to and think that you always know those answers, I can guarantee you you're gonna make a mistake like that and put a 5 over there, which doesn't make any sense because 5 minus 3 certainly doesn't equal 8. It's just a good practice to get into, to thinking about, think of an easy problem and make sure you're doing the right process first. Now, what if they give you something that looks like this? 16 plus 7 plus 8 plus b equals 100. What do you suppose is my steps in getting the answer to this one here? Elijah?
You add the rest of the numbers.
Alright, put what you can add together first. 16 plus 7 is 23, plus 8 is 31, and then it becomes 31 plus b equals 100. And then here's where I would think of that easier addition problem. What if I have 6 plus 3 equals 9? If I'm missing the middle, if I'm missing this 3, what do I do with 6 and 9 to get 3? Riley? Subtract, so you're going to take 100, subtract 31, and you'll get 69 for the number b. But it's always good to put this. B equals 69. Do you think they get any harder? Probably not. And it doesn't matter, it works like that for any problem. I could give you this. 7,364 minus x equals 973. What am I going to do there? Am I going to add or subtract them? I don't know. I didn't think of my easier problem yet. 10 minus 3 equals 7. Missing the middle. If I'm missing the middle here, what do I do with 10 and 7 to get 3? What do I do with 10 and 7 to get 3? Subtract. So I'm going to take 7,364 and subtract 7,364. Uh-oh. That's not right. 7,364 subtract, what was it, 973. And you get, what, 6,391 apparently. And that's what the letter, whatever it was, X. Does that make perfect sense? Is that clear?